Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are making Mystery Quilt and we are on block number 2. I am so thankful and so excited for you. For now, you have already chose your fabrics. I'm working with my Perfect Union collection. I chose the blue bundle, Fat Quarter bundle. Go visit our blog with all the information about the fabric and all the housekeeping, how to cut it, how to press it, all the little details. And now let's get right into making our blocks. Block number 2. We are choosing 2 fabrics. We have 2 lights and I have the little star and a bird on it and 2 blues. You can follow my color options, but guess what? It's your quilt. You can choose whichever colors you wanted to. But if you're following me, this is what I'm choosing and you have close-up pictures on our blog. So make sure you visit that. I'm going to cut strips. I'm going to cut a strip from my light fabric and from my dark fabric, and I cut my strips at 1.5 inch, the width of my fat quarter. Okay, so that's what I did. Now I'm gonna go ahead, place my strips right sides together, and you have the exact information how many strips of each you need to cut it on the blog. So right there I'm gonna place them together and I'm gonna sew it using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I already have one sewn right here and I pushed my seam allowance towards the blue right there. As soon as I finish, I'm gonna go ahead, grab my little handy ruler, my 4.5 inch ruler. I really like that one. I'm gonna place it right over and I'm gonna measure right there 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. I'm placing my line of my ruler right on a middle seam right there. Do you see this? I'm not matching the top and the bottom. I'm worried about the middle seam. Why? Because sometimes when you match the bottom, things get a little crooked. So I always go through the middle. I like to match that middle seam. All right, 1.5. All that I need to do is go ahead and just cut it. I cut 1, I cut 2. I'm gonna cut quite a few of those because I'm gonna make little 4 patches. I'm gonna make little 4 patches. I'm gonna now take those 2 pieces, place them right sides together just like this, and I'm gonna stitch it right down. And you are so excited because yesterday we learned how to make a big 4 patch. Now we're making a little 4 patches. Let me show you how mine work out. I have one right here. All that I did is finish stitching, open it up the seam in the back, and I have a cute little 4 patch. As soon as you finish your 4 patches, make sure you grab your ruler, place it right over, and make sure that it's 2.5 by 2.5. Mine looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna make a double 4 patch. So I have my first 4 patch, I'm gonna make a second one, and I'm gonna add 2.5 inch squares just like this. Oh, this block calls double 4 patch. Now I'm going to go ahead, grab those 2 pieces together, sew it using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Take this one, do the same thing. Oh, this is so exciting. Sew it. As soon as I finish sewing, I'm gonna go ahead and place them right sides together and go ahead and sew it right here. Open it up, and look at this. I have the most adorable little double 4 patch. So yesterday we did a single 4 patch, today double 4 patch. I'm telling you guys, you're amazing. And now you know, as soon as you finish your block, you're gonna make sure your lines are right over, you center it up, because the next thing you want to do is trim it, make sure you trim it. I turn my board around and I'm having so much fun. You're gonna repeat this over and over. You're going to need for block B, and you're going, oh, this needs a little bit more trimming right here. And you're going to need a 16 block A. This is block B, so I need a few more to make, and I am good started on my block A. Look at how cute they are. So remember, you're gonna need 4 of those, 16 of those, and you are ready, set, go to place them on your design wall. I hope you had fun and you are making now little 4 patches. I hope to see you tomorrow for our block number 3. I'm so excited for you. I have something super special prepared for you. Make sure you visit our blog for recipes, measurements, cutting, all of that is right there. I have prepared it for you. And make sure if you're posting pictures, tag me on it so I can see your beautiful results. I am so thankful that you decide to do the Mystery 2021 with us, and I can't wait to see all the beautiful blocks you make. Happy quilting, and I see you tomorrow.